I am recording this to find out how do I speak? How low is my voice? Is my voice as low as when it was a teenager? When it was a teenager's voice. When my cousin told me that it was time I used a higher pitch voice when I spoke, because my normal voice didn't sound womanly enough. Thank you, my cousin. I do not want to speak like this. I do not have to speak like this. Can I speak any higher, please? Yes, I can try. But will I sound really myself, or will I be another person? So my voice is naturally, let's have a look, how low it is. How low is it? There is something, is I chose to keep a low voice as a teenager because I was fed up with everybody around me using high pitch tone. Well, not everybody, but my sister did, my aunts did, or some of them. And I suppose the cousin who told me to use a higher pitch also had a high voice, but I cannot remember how she sounds. How low am I sounding? What is my voice like? Now I'm going to watch the other videos with that in mind because I've forgotten. Is my voice still low? Or am I forcing myself to be low right now? What do I normally sound like? Oh, yes, the thing is about choosing low tone as a teenager or child was mostly to do with being fed up generally of life. So, and not forcing myself to sound happier than I was. So I wonder if it is a case for like some of us that we choose low tones or low key, I don't know, it is a pitch or a tone, when we are not pretending to be much else than what we are, or sometimes are we using low tones to appear like we have authority, because apparently authoritarian women use a low pitch, which is quite manly. Interesting about pitch and voice.